In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infographic using Canva. We'll start right from the Canva homepage. After you log into your account, look over to the left-hand panel and click on the Create button. A pop-up window will appear. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see a search bar. Type infographic into that search bar. Canva will now show you a range of infographic options with different sizes, orientations, and purposes, like educational layouts, timelines, or process diagrams. Take a moment to scroll through and choose the format that best suits what you want to communicate. Once you've decided, click on it, and Canva will open that blank infographic inside the editor. Inside the editor, you'll notice that the templates panel is already open on the left side. For this walkthrough, we'll use one of Canva's ready-made templates. At the very top of that panel, there's a search field where you can type in keywords to narrow down the style you want. For example, minimal, business, or colorful. Browse through the template options, and when you find one that fits your topic and tone, simply click on it. Canva will automatically place that design onto your canvas, replacing the default page. Now it's time to customize the content of the template. Start with the text. Double-click any text box on the canvas, and a text toolbar will appear along the top of the screen. Use this to adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Edit the placeholder text directly by typing your own content. You can also add new headings or subheadings from the text tab on the left panel. Aim to keep your main message bold and easy to read, even from a distance. Next, adjust your visual elements. From the Elements tab on the left, you can drag and drop icons, illustrations, shapes, lines, and photos into your design. This is where you can visually represent your ideas or data. You can resize, recolor, and reposition each element so it matches the overall style. If you have your own images, logos, or brand assets, go to the Uploads tab and bring them into the design, then drag them onto the canvas. As you refine your infographic, keep a few design tips in mind. Use short sentences or phrases instead of long paragraphs. Let visuals do most of the talking and use graphics or icons to support each point. Make important numbers or statistics stand out with larger fonts or contrasting colors. Leave enough white space so the layout feels open and easy to follow. And try to focus on just one main topic, so viewers aren't overwhelmed with information. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, choose Download. You'll see different file types. PNG works well for sharing on social media or online. PDF is a good choice if you plan to print the infographic, and JPG is useful for quick, lightweight sharing. Select the format you need, adjust any additional settings that appear for that file type, and then click Download. Canva will prepare your file and save it to your device. And that's it. You've just created and exported your own infographic using Canva.